common overlander problem that most people tend to have is that the more capable your off-road rig is, the less cargo space you're going to have. But there is a way that you can double or even triple that amount. And that is simply to get a quality roof rack. The best rack that I could find was the Trailrax with pack rack system. And I bet my buddy that I could install this faster than what they allotted for. So if I fail, I have to take his minivan on our camping trip. So how long do I have to do this? Well, in here, typically 2 to 2.5 hours for a professional install time. All right, let's start this timer and let's get her done. Since I did get the pack racks, these rails go under where the hard cover is. So there's 2 strips, so I'm gonna put these on. It's supposed to be 7/16, but I'm gonna use 11 mil. Seven minutes. Next is I basically need to put these 2 rails on the Bronco. So I'm supposed to take the top off, but we'll see. It is raining a bit, so I'm gonna try something. So here's my dumb idea. Alright, so I'm up on this side, so now I'm going to install the rail on this side so I don't have to take the whole top off because I'm alone today. Okay, so you got to take the fender bolts off for this. They're 10 mil. Now these are painted on bolts, so you are breaking the paint when you're doing this, but it's fine. Then you want this area to be clean before you put that down on it. If you watch my channel, you know that this is good enough for me. Just gonna get it dirty anyway. I'm so smart. I was looking for a left and a right, and I was like, P and D, what the hell is that? Passenger, driver. So if you don't have a Milwaukee 12-volt ratchet, highly suggest you get one. That's nice because it squishes right in there with that seal. Now if you're doing this the stupid way like I'm doing it, be careful because you can easily crack the side of your hardtop. I did hear it crack a little bit because my pin was misaligned, but just be careful and you can get it done. You really don't need a lot of room. And see, my pin on the other side is still in, so it's not really putting stress on anything. Oh, those clouds are getting pretty dark. What I like about this ratcheting wrench is that it's strong, but not strong enough to strip anything. Oh, that's solid. Just that will save a lot of time. This is where this really shines. All right, we're at 33 minutes. Pretty sure I can do it under 2 hours. So I'm just going to grab my trim remover. And pop that off. Save these for if I take it off. So now I'm just going to put this on loosely, and I'm going to measure the space on each side that extends past, and just tighten it so that it'll be centered when I put the rack on. We do recommend 2 people for this. This is why. 1 7/8, 1 7/8. Okay, so we're 55 minutes in. I just found out I have to go pick up Emmett from a birthday party at 5, and my wife doesn't know about the bet, so I really don't have a choice. I need to finish this. Gotta get a move on now. I put that backwards. Apparently this is the hardest part, is putting these little nuts and washers to hold the front. So I have a 10 mil ratcheting wrench, you know, those pliers. Well, the trick is just use needle nose pliers to put it on, and it's really not that hard. And then once those are all tight, I'll be able to bring this down. I don't recommend doing it under 2 hours, but I did want to show you guys that it could be done. This rack will make us able to take my 2-door Bronco on many more adventures with the whole family, and we'll never have to worry about a minivan again. Highly recommended. They're not that hard to install. They look great. They're aluminum, so they're not going to rust. I have the link in the description, so make sure that you go check them out. And if you want to see why my kids were strapped up there, well, watch this video to find out.